Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you are following my channel, and you may have seen my last short video, I did one showing you how to do the pickled garlic, right? So I decided to do another full video, just basically giving you an update, right? I had it like, you know, in the fridge like this for like about 2 weeks now, and I found that after the 2 weeks I've been so excited to try it that I keep on trying one in between in between that 2 weeks, and they burned. As a matter of fact, when my throat was burning, I could go down to my stomach, it was burning. So what I decided to do is like I threw out all the set that I made. I threw out the liquid. I didn't throw it out, I just threw it out in the container and put the garlic in a another container and pour boiling water over that. Let that boiling water cool, and then I put it back into the bottle and put back the liquid that I had initially, right? And that's what I did. And as you can see here, some of them turning a little green. That's what happened after I poured the boiling water over it, right? After doing some research, I learned that people in China, they like it like that. They allow it to purposely get like this greenish color, even more green than that, and that's how they like to consume their garlic, right? So now that I think since after that, putting the boiling water and stuff like that, let a few days pass. I'm so excited to try it still, right? What I've been doing now, I've been able to consume them so far. A great way to consume it is like when you're having a meal. That's what you will notice, like those mukbangers, like Chinese and stuff, or Chinese, Koreans, those Asian mukbangers. You'll find that we're eating something small and it's like a greenish. That's what they've been eating. I was wondering what it was, and after doing research, I found out it's this they have been eating. I guess it was garlic, but I wasn't sure, right? So what I've been doing right now, like in the morning, I'll take one of them. I just take a toothpick, I'll put it aside. Sometimes I might poke the garlic. There's a reason for poking it, to let some of the gases, I can't remember exactly what it is, but to release some of the gases, I think. If I'm wrong with it, whatever it is, let me know. But just like this, and I'm enjoying it, and it doesn't burn as much as before, right? So I think I might have to revise the recipes that put boiling hot water on the raw garlic, let that water cool, and then put my vinegar, my seasonings and stuff. And I even added more different seasoning, any fun seasoning that I had some seasoning pepper, I had some shadow benny. I was excited to add that to this, and I let that settle, and I'm enjoying this now just like that. Again, like I said, it doesn't burn like how it was burning before. Only problem now is the garlic bread, but I think eating it with a meal, it helps a lot. And of course, thoroughly brushing your teeth after that meal will help too as well. All right, if you have any comments to add to this, leave it in the comment section below. Happy to hear your contributions to this topic, eating garlic, pickled garlic. My mom used to eat garlic a lot. She highly recommended it, to eat it, like especially like for high blood pressure and stuff, hypertension, and I want to continue doing this on a regular basis, you know, try and not keep away from the medication. If I could get this recipe jam-packed and I could eat this garlic on a regular basis without the bad breath, without the burning of the chest and the throat and stuff, I'll be super happy. And plus, if I could make it for myself, super happy. All right guys, I hope all is well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. Let me have the last one. I already had two already for the morning, but like I said, I'm enjoying them. Bye.